It always seems impossible until it's done. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. One cannot be prepared for something while secretly believing it will not happen. Resentment is like drinking poison and then hoping it will kill your enemies. Lead from the back and let others believe they are in front. I am not a saint unless you think of a saint as a sinner who kept on trying. As I have said, the first thing is to be honest with yourself. You can never have an impact on society if you have not changed yourself. Everyone can rise above their circumstances and achieve success if they are dedicated to and passionate about what they do. A winner is a dreamer who never gives up. Live life as though nobody is watching and express yourself as though everyone is listening. Do not judge me by my success. Judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. Sometimes it falls upon a generation to be great. You can be that generation. We must use time creatively and forever realize that the time is always ripe to do right. I never lose, I either win or learn. A nation should not be judged by how it treats its highest citizens, but its lowest one. I am the captain of my soul. Where you stand depends on where you sit. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. Appearance matter, and remember to smile. Nothing is black or white. Know your enemy and learn about his favorite sport. Quieting is leading to. When the water starts boiling, it is foolish to turn off the heat. Read softly, breathe peacefully, laugh hysterically. Real leader must be ready to sacrifice all for the freedom of their peoples. May your choice reflect your hopes, not your fears. Courage is not absence of fear. It's inspiring others to move beyond it.